discuss on the transition between Chaturanga Dandasana and Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. So somebody asked me, how do you get your lower back to have more curve during the upward facing dog? So a lot of people think that the Ashtanga series only has backbends in the end of the primary series, but no. Every vinyasa is actually, you're all doing a backbend, but since we're sometimes too focused on the poses that we have to do, we just rush through this upward facing dog. So today I'm going to try to let you see how you can get deeper expression of the pose and see if that helps you during the practice, and I hope it does. Okay, so first I'm going to show you what most people do when they do from Chaturanga to upward facing dog, and then I'm going to give you a suggestion that I find quite helpful in making deeper expression of the pose. Of course, most of the time we don't have time to always do this, but it's the small attention that you give that eventually translates it to the practice. Okay. So we're going to Chaturanga Dandasana, and then a lot of people just push up from here. Okay. Nothing wrong with this, but if you want to be able to open your chest more, I suggest another way. So maybe if I do that up front, you will see how my chest is. So down, and then just up. Okay? So this is how people usually do. Okay? So if you want to get a deeper expression, I would suggest this. So we go down, Chaturanga. Okay, I reset a bit. I move my hand a bit back, then I push up. Okay. I'm able to push a bit more my chest and my hips forward with this position. Alright? I'm going to show you this side so you can see my front body. So, Chaturanga. Okay, move it a bit back. Okay, so moving the hands a bit back gives a bit more space to be able to open the chest and to push the hip forward. So I will show you again. I hope you see the difference. Okay, this is the normal way. Okay, if you want to give a deeper expression, okay, I hope that was helpful, and keep your questions coming. I enjoy answering them, and thank you for watching the video.